Hey everybody. I get questions all the time about updating your website and when's a good time to do it? How do I do it? And I usually recommend doing it on a staging site to be safe. So I'm just going to walk you through how to set up a staging site. It's really very simple. I'm using Big Scoots as an example. If you're not on Big Scoots, you may have to ask your host how to set up a staging site. Okay, so I've just logged into my dashboard. I'm going to click on my product and then I'm going to go to my control panel. Okay, and then I'm going to go to WordPress Manager by Softaculous. It's right here. Right, that's where you install WordPress. That's where you do all the stuff. Okay, so you can see I have a lot of domains in here. I'm going to use this one right here. This is a test site that I have, and this, I don't know if you have ever really looked at this, but you can do a lot of settings in here. Number one, you can change. People always say, "Oh, my plugins are updating automatically." I can disable that right here. It's auto update WordPress plugins. You want that disabled, and auto upgrade WordPress themes disabled. Okay, search engine visibility, that's enabled. If you're just playing around and working on a site and it's not ready yet, you can disable that here. But you can't forget to re-enable it later. Okay, so if I scroll down just a little bit, right here, it says staging. I'm just going to click on that and I'm going to, you have to give this a name. So you're going to choose the installation URL. I'm going to call it stage. And everything else is going to be done for me. So create staging. And oops, I'm already using that. Huh. So I need a new directory, create staging. And it's going to just do its thing. And here I am. Now I have a staging site. So this is my URL, wordpressforbloggers.com/staging. And here is the back end of the site with the WordPress dash admin URL. So I'm just going to click on that. Oops. Oh, something happened there. Try it again. Okay, so for some reason that's not working, but if we go back out here and go to, here's my staging site, and just log in there. And it went in that way. So we're not going to question it. We got in, and just sometimes you have to make a little bit of an adjustment to do these things. So you just want to be sure up here that you're on your staging site. Okay, check your URL. And now I can go through and I can do anything I want in here. Um, I can change the theme if I want. Let's just activate that one and see what it looks like. And it looks terrible, but this gives me a chance to work on this. If I wanted to change themes or if I wanted to update my plugins or anything else, I can play around in here all I want. And then when I'm ready, I can go back to Softaculous and go back to here. Um, so I have so many. Here it is, staging. And I open that up. I can push to live. You see right here? So I could just push this to my live site and it will replace the site that I already have. So this is a great way to make changes safely. You're not going to mess up anything on your live site. You can do whatever you want on there. If it ends up getting broken or whatever, just delete it. And it's also maybe a good idea to save a staging site every once in a while so that it's like another backup. So I hope this helps, and get out there and make a staging site.